Welcome. Today we're looking at the profit leak in custom cabinetry. We are going to explore exactly how manual estimation flaws destroy profit margins and look at the data behind the solution. In the custom cabinetry industry, the stakes are high and the margins are incredibly thin. Operating on these razor-thin lines means that manual estimation flaws don't just reduce your take-home pay, they directly translate to a complete loss of net profit. Let's look at the cost of missing materials. A staggering 55% of custom fabrication projects suffer from inaccurate material quantities during the bidding phase. Missing just a single line item, like edge banding, Euro hinges, or custom drawer runners, drastically alters the actual cost of a build and kills profitability before the job even begins. Then there is the spreadsheet trap. Material quantity errors have spiked by 30% in recent years, driven heavily by a lack of standardized pricing logic. Relying on static spreadsheets in the face of supply chain chaos means your bids become instantly inaccurate. In fact, just an 8% cost increase on standard sheet goods or hardware lines can completely wipe out a shop's entire net margin. But the number one profit killer? Labor. Labor calculation errors are responsible for 60% of all project budget overruns. Estimators regularly fail to account for custom assembly complexities, extensive finishing schedules, and the actual physical time it takes to install complex European frameless or custom inset hardware lines. So why do these manual estimates fail so often? First, a rushed process. 43% of projects are compromised because accuracy is sacrificed just to get the bid out the door. Second, tribal knowledge. Rushing forces shop owners to use historical guesswork instead of true math. And finally, compounding costs. $500 is the baseline cost for a single minor oversight. Ruined substrates, wasted labor, and field delays quickly turn a job negative. This creates massive financial vulnerability for the industry. 72% of North American cabinet shops are small businesses, employing fewer than 20 people. These operations are highly vulnerable to a single broken formula propagating across dozens of cut lists. Without a dedicated engineering team, missing a few hardware systems is all it takes to ruin a quarter's profitability. So what's the solution? Digitizing to protect your profit. When custom builders move away from traditional manual spreadsheets and implement specialized software, they see an 80% reduction in estimating errors. Centralizing your logic and standardizing your pricing protects your bottom line from human error. It's time to stop guessing and start estimating. Protect your margins with automated accuracy. Visit CabEstimator.com today to start your 14-day free trial.